Many people use roadways, bridges, and tunnels to go to work, school, or typically anywhere. But do they think twice about how those roadways are built? The common answer is no, and I find that really interesting because people should know about it, about the process it takes, and the people should know about transportation engineering. Transportation engineers focus on the design, construction, and maintenance of transport systems. Most entry-level positions in the field will require a bachelor's degree in engineering, while advancement in the field may require a master's degree in the more specific discipline of transportation engineering. The major focus of transportation engineers includes main thoroughfares and highways due to their overuse, highway engineering, infrastructure design, and the materials that make up local and national highways comprise important aspects of a transportation engineer's job. Though roads often require the most attentive of engineers in this field, they may also work on railways, airports, seaports, and canals.
Transportation engineers would work on projects involving anything with transportation. For example, if they find a flaw in a bridge that has cars continuously depending on that bridge, the transportation engineer would have to find out how to divert traffic when the work has begun. The engineer would also have a list of materials along with cost estimate sheets for the project to present to the city, along with an expected time for completion of the project. For example, on the section of I-95 passing through the New Haven area, they have been reconstructing the highway to ease the amount of traffic. To do this, they have built new on and off ramps to better suit the flow of traffic, along with stack interchanges to make it easier and faster to change highways and enter the city. Stack interchanges are made up of multiple overpasses on top of one another. Most transportation engineers work for a company that is hired by different counties or towns and states to do local jobs in said counties. Locally in New Haven, there are many firms that give job opportunities for transportation engineers. These firms include LTK Engineering Services, Langen, and Hardesty in Hanover.
A transportation engineer's responsibility is to design and assure that the way of travel is safe, efficient, and comfortable. They have various duties based on specific job levels. As the level increases, so do the duties and responsibilities. These engineers must be able to evaluate plans and proposals drafted by other engineers and make changes if necessary. Other common duties include analysis of schematics and engineering data. Also, offering recommendations for traffic and driving policies, designing transit means, and analyzing the effects of transit on urban areas. In addition, transportation engineers may oversee plans with contractors and calculate the overall costs for a project. The critique and precision that goes onto designing and planning bridges and highways is the same as is put into guardrails and street signals. As seen on the bridge in this video, the aesthetics of the bridge are very appealing to the public. Transportation engineers take great pride in their work to provide great service to the public.